Two strings A and B made of the same material slightly out of tune and produce beats of frequency 6 Hz. So in a stringed instrument, what happens is, so this is a node and this also is node. The distance between the two nodes is half the wavelength, which is lambda by 2. Now lambda by 2 is going to be equal to L, the length of the string. Now what is lambda? Lambda is V upon F. So V upon 2F is equal to L. So we have frequency is equal to V upon 2L. So this has to be kept in mind. So we just write down here, the frequency is going to be V upon 2L. Now the velocity is going to be root T by mu. So root T upon mu into 1 by 2L is going to be the frequency. Now there are two strings A and B. Okay, so let the frequency for A be FA and the frequency for B be FB. Now FA and FB have a difference of 6 Hz. Now when the tension in B is slightly decreased, okay, the beat frequency increases to 7 Hz. Okay, so now if you see, since frequency is dependent, is proportional, okay, dependent upon tension, it is proportional to root T. So when the tension increases, frequency also increases. Tension decreases, frequency will be decreasing. So now what has happened? When the tension in B is slightly decreased, that means when frequency of B decreases, the beat frequency is 7 Hz. Okay, so if suppose FB was more than FA, okay, if the relationship was this, that FB is equal to FA plus 6, then if FB decreases, the difference is going to decrease. Okay, so but yes, what is happening is opposite. Okay, so since FB is decreasing, that means FB is, therefore FB is lesser than FA. Okay, now what is mentioned, frequency at A is 530 Hz. So therefore frequency in B must be how much? 524 Hz, which is 530 minus 6. And now you see the tension is decreased. That means the frequency of B has decreased to 523 Hz. Now the beat is 7 Hz. Okay, so therefore the original must be 524 Hz. Okay, if suppose okay, we can do another way around also. Let us take this as the basis. Okay, this is the basis. Now using this, if you see, the difference between FA and FB should be 6 Hz, and FA is already given as 530 Hz. So FB can be how much? FB can be either 536 Hz or FB can be either 524 Hz. So now if by decreasing tension the FB decreases, so if this decreases, so then the difference between 536 and 530 will also decrease, but this is not the case. Here if this decreases, it goes to 523, then now the frequency, beat frequency becomes 7 Hz. So therefore again we can see that 524 is going to be the answer. Thank you.